Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kenneth. Today I am going to talk about two important topics. First one is about a lockdown which has been implemented by the government on May 10th till May 24th. So this is the first interesting topic which I am going to talk. The second interesting topic, which will be a small topic, which is nothing about a rocket which has been launched by China and which is set to fall on May 8. So, these are the two important topics which I am going to talk about. So, let me get into the topic right away. But before entering into the topic, what I like to say is, you may ask that why am I always posting the restrictions related video now? So, and not only that, you may also ask that last before video only you have posted the latest restrictions, but why are you posting it again? So, let me tell you the answer. It is because the coronavirus cases is too high in India and as well as the Tamil Nadu. So, because of that, I need to speak about it. I know this is a pretty negative video, but I have to deliver the fact to you guys. So, the first thing is about the latest restrictions of COVID-19 which will be implemented from May 10th. So, what they are saying is, the first one is all private and public transport including taxi, autos, etc. will not be allowed to move around. But for the people who are going for like job interview and those who are going to put the vaccines in the hospital and other emergency cases shall be allowed. This is the first interesting fact. The next interesting fact is nothing about the grocery shops. So here the grocery shops will be open till 12 noon. And not only that, the distribution of grocery things, chicken, fish, etc. will be allowed through e-commerce also till noon. So this is the third interesting fact. And not only that, the big format shops, that means a shop which has a area of more than 3000 square feet for like malls, big shopping complex like that will be closed during this lockdown. But other than that, the small shops and all will be open till noon. So the next thing is pretty interesting for me. Why? Because the takeaway services will be allowed in a particular time. So if you take here, the parcel services will be available from morning 7 to 10, afternoon 12 to 3 and evening 6 to 9 pm, which was not implemented in the previous lockdown. So there will be no issues regarding the food. So this is the one of the interesting fact which I found out. And not only that, hotel and lodges are not allowed. But you may ask a question here. What does that mean? The parcel services are allowed, but why no hotels and lodges? Yes, you are right. For that, what I can explain is that here only strictly the parcel services is allowed, not the seating capacity, and staying is not allowed. And not only that, even the tourism in hill stations and other tourist spaces has been banned during this lockdown. And the next one is all social, political, education, sports events are being banned during this lockdown. So this is the most difficult part because there will be no big functions here. And for the funeral, there is only 20 people can be allowed to attend the funeral. And for the wedding, around only 50 people can be attended at a given time. And as you said, like the previous one, no theaters, gym, and other public places is allowed. Even what the government has said is not even beaches and parks are allowed during this lockdown. And religious places, and the worship also is not allowed in religious places during this lockdown. So these are the things which are not allowed during the lockdown. Now let me give some of the things which are allowed during the lockdown. So the first one is the supply of milk, groceries, etc. will be allowed till noon. So I have said in the previous points itself that delivery of groceries and e-commerce are possible. So similarly, what is permitted means the grocery shops and all are permitted during 12 noon. And not only that, the takeaway services are also available between 6 to 10 am, 12 to 3 pm, and 6 to 9 pm again. Here, the next one is the roadside vegetable and fruit shop will be also allowed during the lockdown, and on-site construction will be also allowed. So these are the things or facts which I like to say about the lockdown. The next interesting topic which I am going to talk about is China rocket. So if you here see, during the first week of April, China what they did was they launched a rocket into the space. So this rocket is why? Because China has been planning to construct their own space station where only the Chinese can work there. So you might have heard the International Space Station where some of the countries like China and Japan can be worked there for outer space. But what China thought was, okay, so let us build our own space station for Chinese scientists alone. So here what happened was, they already launched a rocket during March. Now they have launched another rocket where it consists of an module where the people can sit and work. The thing is, it has successfully placed the module there. Now what is happening is, here the remains of the rocket will have to fall on Earth. This is the basic principle. So here is the small problem. What happened is, we don't know where it's going to fall. Usually, whoever sends the rocket, they have a clear trajectory of where it is going to fall. Why? Because they will be planning for months which place to fall and where to fall. Whereas China planned to launch the rocket and place the module there, but they didn't plan where to land the remains of the rocket. So, because of this, it has been a threat to some of the countries like India. But as of now, what I have observed is it is approximate landfall will be in Pacific Ocean. So it is pretty safe, or say, let's assume it has been safe that it is not going to fall in any land. So these are the two interesting topics which I like to see. But before ending this video, what I like to say is, please guys, please wear a mask, follow social distancing, and properly sanitize your hand, because the COVID cases has been increasing rapidly. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.